Hello, this is Bill McQuillan. I'm the construction manager here at America's Home Place in Athens, Georgia. And behind me is the Hill 5. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,658 square foot heated home. Right now, this Hill 5 is at the stage where we are just short of putting on our vinyl siding, and we are dried in, and the interior has been sheetrocked, finished, and the paint has been primed. We're currently installing the trim on the interior. After our trim is complete, we will have our drywaller come back and do a touch-up, sand the job, and then we'll completely paint the house and install our cabinets. This customer is a multi-generational family at this property. She's owned this property, her family before her has owned this property, and there used to be a home here, and she's taken that down, and now we're helping her fulfill her dream by building an America's Home Place home. And we'll be almost done with that in about 30 days, so she can move in and enjoy the rest of her life here. And if you'd like to learn more, you can visit us at americashomeplace.com, and please like and subscribe.